Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, was the opposition spokesman for education, and the new chairman for the People's National Party PNP. Juliet Holness, was the member of parliament for St. Andrew East Rural, says she want the Jamaican coffee for serve everywhere the tourists them there in a Jamaica and for serve to every tourist who come off of the cruise ship them out here. The police them in a St. James said them are looking at the killing of one man and the shooting of two other men Friday night. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, was the opposition spokesman for education and the new chairman for the People's National Party PNP. Brown-Burke are the member of parliament for St. Andrew South Western, and she make history when she turned the first woman to be chairman for the PNP. She beat Horace Daly, who did act as chairman. She get 146 votes and Daly get 120. Brown-Burke did lose to Philip Powell last November when them did a run for chairman. And right now, she have to bring everybody together in her party with all heap of scandal go on, plus them lose the last two general election. Juliet Holness, was the member of parliament for St. Andrew East Rural, so she want the Jamaican coffee for serve everywhere the tourists them there in a Jamaica and for serve to every tourist who come off of the cruise ship them out here. Holness says she beg Edmund Bartlett, was the tourism minister, and Audley Shaw, was the minister for agriculture, for make this happen, because the coffee farmer them in our constituency are suffer because of the low price where coffee is sell for and then can't make the money right now. She said the people them who come out here not for just see the best of the country, but they must taste it too. She said the Blue Mountain coffee are the best and the tourists them who come here must know about it. The management for Scotiabank Jamaica and the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union BITU said them are going to talk some more for try save the work for more than 50 workers who are going to get fired in some changes we make at the bank. The bank and the BITU meet yesterday after Scotiabank workers them start first. According to Cavan Gale, or the president for the BITU, the bank will look for put the workers them in some other area in the bank instead of fire them. Earlier in the year, Scotiabank did lock some of the bank them in the rural area them, and them turn 6 of them in a digital operation. This means not tell no in there, people have to do everything for themselves. One man dead after one car crash going on the Trelawney Main Road Saturday night. 7 tourists get hurt. The crash go on with one Nissan car and one IS minibus. According to the police report, around 9 p.m., the minibus were having 7 tourists did a car them go to one hotel in a St. Anne when it crashed in a one car on the Duncan's Main Road in a Trelawney. 2 smaddy wounded in the car and the 7 tourists get rushed to hospital. One of the smaddy wounded in the car dead. The Duncan's police said them are looking at what one. The police them in St. James said them are looking at the killing of one man and the shooting of 2 other men Friday night. The dead man and 19 years old Damian Smith who come from Flankers in St. James. According to the police report, around 10:20 p.m., Smith and 2 men did a walk on Seaview Heights Main Road in a Flankers when gunman shot them up. Smith dead on the spot. Them rush to the other 2 men go hospital where doctor admit them. Now for sports. Simone Forbes, who was the one-time netball captain, are the new first vice president for Netball Jamaica. She get voting at Saturday annual general meeting AGM at the Jamaica Conference Center. Forbes, who was the one-time director for Netball Jamaica, beat Gard Somerville 43 to 23 vote. On top of that, Carleen Waugh get the work as treasurer for Netball Jamaica. She beat Winston Delahaye 42 to 23 vote. People, remember the curfew are from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.